We're going to take a look at how to use Excel slicers with the CPR Complete report. So I'm showing the OpenPoint main menu here, and I'm going to click on the Reports menu option. And it's showing all the reports that we have available in the system currently. I'm just going to click on the CPR tag right there. That's going to filter all the reports and show us just the CPR related reports to make it a little bit easier to find the one I'm looking for. So I'm going to take a look here at the CPR Ledger Complete report. So I'll just get that going by clicking on Start and say Create. And that's going to then do a full complete dump of the CPR ledger into Microsoft Excel. So I don't have a lot of data here in this CPR ledger. A lot of times you might have several hundred entries in this particular report. But I've got enough here to be able to show the basic functionality. So we've got our CPR data in the grid with the gray bars. On the right-hand side, you'll see the 3 Excel slicers that are available, one for district, plan account, and then for year. And so if I click on any one of these options here, it will then change the filtering that you see happening in the gray and white grid. So for example here, if I click on 2017 for the year, so that's going to deselect all the other years, and now just 2017 is selected. So now if I look over here in the spreadsheet, I'm only filtering on just the 2017 entries. So same goes with the plan account and district. I can include a combination also. So if I click on 3640040, I now have 2017 for the year and 3640040 for the plan account, and so I've only got one option now showing in the results. Another nice feature that you get with slicers is the ability to select ranges. And so if I were to then go back to, let's say I wanted the 364 accounts only, so I can click on this first one here, and then I can hold the shift key down, and it's going to then give me all the 364 options that are currently available. And I just had to do it with one quick click, and then it selected all those for us in the grid. So here we have just the 364s. And so if you want to clear your criteria, then you can click on this button here. So if you highlight over it, it'll say clear filter. You just click on that. And let's click on the one for the year as well. So I'm going to click that one. And so now we just went back to having the full set of data available to us. I wanted to show another thing here, which is the ability to collect multiple items kind of randomly, basically. So if you click and then hold the control key down, then you can select multiple options. And then when you let go, then it'll perform the filter on just the ones that you clicked on. It'll show those as the highlighted options and update the results over there. So that's pretty much all there is to using slicers in Excel. You have that same ability to be able to filter using the columns, like these little drop downs here can do a lot of the same things. This is just a friendlier way, a little bit easier way of being able to do some of that filtering, and makes it a little bit easier for you.